Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play Terraria multiplayer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, access your Steam and then make sure that you have downloaded Terraria game. Once you have done that, go ahead, launch it. Then from over here you gotta go to the section of Steam multiplayer enabled. From over here, you have to simply choose the multiplayer option. Then you have to go to the option of host and play. Then you have to simply create yourself a room where you would like to play with your friends. Type in the name, tap on create at the bottom. Again, tap on create. You can choose the journey, classic, expert, master, random, corruption. Corruption is simply the hardest one, so choose the classic. And wait for the large caves to be generated. Simply let it load. Then choose the Steam multiplayer option, enable it. Over here you can add in a password for your friends to join, tap on accept. And there you go, you have enabled it, and that's how it's gonna look like. You can simply invite your friends and they can add in the password and join you and play. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.